Steve Tandy has officially taken charge as Wales head coach, stepping into one of the most daunting jobs in international rugby. His appointment marks the first time since 2007 that a Welshman has been given the role on a permanent basis as he inherits a national side deep in trouble. Wales recently snapped an 18-test losing streak with victory in Japan, but their struggles run deeper. Success at age grade level has been scarce. The four professional regions, Cardiff Dragons, Ospreys and Scarlets, have been co-signed to mediocrity, and the WRU is consulting on a radical plan to cut those clubs down to two. That is the backdrop for Tandy's future, one defined as much by rebuilding structure as winning matches. The 44-year-old brings broad experience. He guided the Ospreys to a Pro 12 title as a young coach before enhancing his reputation overseas with the Warriors, Scotland and the British and Irish Lions. Highly regarded as a defensive strategist, he now faces his biggest test, reshaping a faltering Wales team with limited resources. Some assistance from the summer tour of Japan could be retained, but several names linked to key roles are tied to club contracts, raising the prospects of short-term secondments. Just as pressing is the question of identity. Under Warren Gatland's first spell, Wales built their success on uncompromising defence, set-piece power and kicking accuracy. Attempts to recreate that style in recent years fell flat without the personnel to match. Tandy must now find a game plan suited to his players, likely more expansive and high tempo, whilst shoring up problem positions such as tight head prop. The scale of his task is highlighted by a brutal autumn schedule against Argentina, Japan, New Zealand and world champions South Africa. But with patience, tactical clarity and a belief in young talent, Tandy has the chance to restore pride in Welsh rugby. His tenure begins with a crisis all around, yet also the faintest glimmer of renewal.